Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got an exciting lineup of 15 must-have tools that will make your life easier, whether you're a professional trade person or a DIY enthusiast. We've scoured the internet to find some unique and innovative tools that we think you'll love. So let's dive right in.
Number 1. The Crescent 17-inch Tradesman closed-top tool bag, priced at $89.97, is a professional-grade solution for daily use in rugged conditions. Designed for lasting durability, its hard polypropylene base resists moisture and withstands impacts. The bright orange interior enhances visibility, aiding quick tool location in darker settings. Crafted with 1680D polyester and reinforced with metal hardware, it's built to endure tough job sites. With 3 exterior pockets, a 29-pocket interior tool wall, and 13 pals on the exterior, the bag offers extensive organization and quick access. The pocket sleeves secure tools in place, preventing small bits from being lost during transport. Whether you're a professional or DIY enthusiast, the Crescent 17-inch Tradesman closed-top tool bag provides efficient and reliable tool storage, ensuring your equipment stays organized and accessible in various work environments.
Number 2. Priced at $17.99, the WorkPro 12-in-1 ratcheting multi-bit screwdriver set offers versatile functionality. The set includes a screwdriver handle with 6 double-ended bits, featuring a 1/4-inch hex shank S2 steel bits stored in the handle for easy access. The superior ratcheting mechanism allows for forward and reverse ratcheting, with a locking position, saving time and effort. The patented auto-locking, quick-load ratchet mechanism enables convenient one-handed bit loading. With an ergonomic handle providing slip-resistant grip for comfortable holding and increased torque output, this set is ideal for DIY, home repair, and outdoor applications. Its compact design and the ability to store all bits inside the handle make it convenient for everyday carry.
Number 3. Priced at $49.99, the Proso 2-in-1 laser tape measure is a comprehensive tool offering 6 laser measure modes with extreme accuracy within 1/8 inch. This Class 2 laser product, with an output of less than 1 milliwatt, includes distance, continuous, area, volume, Pythagorean method 2 points, and Pythagorean method 3 points, along with calibration, reference change, and unit setting features. The tape measure component is designed for precision, featuring a magnetic hook, double-sided scale and hook, and a movable hook for inside and outside measurements. With a rust-resistant nylon coating, the tape stays straight for accurate readings. The device is rechargeable via USB Type-C, with a single charge providing 5,000 measurements. Ideal for various applications, the 2-in-1 tool is especially useful in large areas like rooms, apartments, buildings, factories, and warehouses.
Number 4. Priced at $70, the folding stair climber trolley dolly cart is a versatile and durable solution for various tasks. Its 6-wheel design perfectly balances lightweight capability with strength, effortlessly gliding up and down stairs. Ideal for trips to the supermarket, flea market, or beach, this cart is designed to make transportation easy. The cart is collapsible and portable, folding down in half for compact storage when not in use. It conveniently fits in the trunk of your car, under the bed, or in the closet or garage. With multifunctional uses, it serves as a shopping cart, grocery cart, utility cart, and a foldable cart. Removing the bag transforms it into a lightweight dolly capable of carrying up to 110 pounds. Perfect for apartment or condo living, the stair climber trolley dolly smoothly ascends stairs, outperforming other carts on the market. It features 7 compartments for storage, including a beverage holder, front flap pocket, inner pouch, rear pocket, and more, ensuring your belongings go wherever you go. Assembling this exceptional cart on wheels requires little to no effort. Number 5. Priced at $9.17, the Bit Magnetizer Ring and Demagnetizer by ALSA Tools is a compact and user-friendly tool designed for convenient on-the-go use. With a simple swipe, this tool allows you to easily magnetize and demagnetize all your bits. Featuring a powerful rare earth magnet, it ensures that the magnetism on your bits lasts longer compared to regular magnetizers. The 3-in-1 functionality makes it a versatile accessory. Not only does it magnetize and demagnetize, but it also serves as a screwdriver bit holder, keeping your fastener straight every time. Highly compatible and multi-purpose, the magnetic bit holder is suitable for hex keys, Allen wrenches, and all types of screwdrivers. It also works seamlessly with household drills and drill bits, making it a versatile and indispensable tool for various applications.
Number 6. Priced at $26.18, the Crimping Spix cutter is a clever and efficient tool designed for cutting plastic pipes and sealing sleeves with precision. This pipe cutter is known for its ability to cut pipes without creating shavings and offers a comfortable grip. Ideal for high-temperature plastic drain pipes and electrical conduits, the Crimping Spix cutter is a time-saving solution for various applications. It excels at cutting sealing sleeves during final assembly, even close to walls, meeting standard compliance. The cutter is capable of cutting unreinforced plastic pipes with a diameter ranging from 20 to 50 millimeters and a wall thickness of up to 2.4 millimeters. Additionally, it can cut soft plastic pipes and those with foam cores within the same diameter range but with wall thicknesses of up to 3.5 millimeters. With its versatile capabilities, this Crimping Spix cutter is a valuable addition to any toolkit. Number 7. The Makita XRF03Z 18-volt auto-feed screwdriver is a powerful tool designed for efficient fastening in various applications. Priced to deliver value, this screwdriver is capable of driving up to 2,250 screws with Makita's innovative push-drive technology when used with an 18-volt LXD 5.0 battery. Featuring a brushless motor, the XRF03Z provides superior fastening speed, ranging from 0 to 6,000 RPM, making it suitable for a variety of tasks, including drywall, decking, and framing applications. The push-drive technology enhances efficiency by starting the motor only when the fastener engages, ensuring longer run time and reducing motor noise. The lock-on button allows for continuous use, and the auto-feed housing is thoughtfully designed with a screwless one-touch hook for effortless attachment and removal. This Makita auto-feed screwdriver is a reliable and versatile tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike.
Number 8. The Magic Pants Hanger Space Saving Set, priced at $21.99 for 2 packs, offers an innovative solution for optimizing closet space and maintaining organization. Each hanger features a 5-tier design capable of holding at least 5 jeans, trousers, or other clothing items, ensuring maximum space utilization while keeping your closet clean and orderly. The hangers boast strong bearing strength, preventing them from easily deforming. These multifunctional space savers can be used to hang clothing horizontally or vertically, providing versatile organization options. The open-ended design enhances convenience for placing and retrieving clothes daily. Each rod of the trouser hanger includes a detachable anti-slip ring, preventing abnormal sliding and ensuring stability. Constructed with a sturdy metal frame made of high-grade anti-rust stainless steel and high-quality ABS plastic, these hangers maintain durability and shape over time. With a maximum carrying capacity of up to 10 pants, the Magic Pants Hanger Space Saving Set is a practical and efficient solution for maximizing your closet space. Number 9. Priced at $109.99, the Vever Folding Work Table is a portable and versatile solution for various tasks, seamlessly transforming between a workbench and a sawhorse. With a quick folding design and a convenient bottom handle, it's easily portable and storable, even in limited spaces. The setup and folding process is safe, eliminating the risk of pinching. Featuring a 7-level height adjustment, the supporting legs can be set between 23.6 inch to 36 inch. 60 to 91.5 centimeters, providing customized comfort for sitting or standing operations. With a remarkable load capacity of 1,000 pounds, this folding workbench can handle heavy-duty tasks effortlessly. The flat MDF tabletop and robust steel legs ensure unmatched stability and durability. Connect multiple tables seamlessly with the large area tabletop, allowing for extended workspace. The versatile clamping system includes multiple holes for horizontal and vertical clamping, along with quick clamps for clamping dogs, 2 hooks, and 2 link locks, providing all necessary tools for a variety of tasks. The bottom storage shelf adds extra storage space, keeping your tools and materials organized. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this foldable workbench is perfect for any project. Number 10. The Spider Reciprocating Saw Wire Brush Attachment offers a highly efficient solution for precision cleaning of large areas, delivering results in a fraction of the time compared to manual scrubbing. Its narrow brush design allows for meticulous cleaning into corners, along edges, and following grout lines, reaching areas where rotary brushes might struggle. For enhanced cleaning power, it can be used with cleaners. The attachment is best used parallel to the work surface, ensuring optimal tool operation. Holding the reciprocating saw with the handle pointing away from the work surface can improve the attachment's parallel alignment. Crafted with tough carbon steel bristles, it excels at removing stubborn contaminants such as flaking paint, rust, and dirt. Utilizing the power of a reciprocating saw, this attachment is suitable for cleaning and prepping surfaces on metal, stone, concrete, wood, and more. It significantly reduces cleaning time, efficiently removing flaking paint, rust, scratches, dirt, and small imperfections. Compatible with all reciprocating saws, the Spider Wire Brush Attachment is a versatile tool for various cleaning and surface preparation tasks. Number 11. Priced at $16.46, the screwdriver bit set includes 45 pieces, offering a comprehensive selection for various drilling and screwing applications. The set comprises 25mm impact bits, hex heads, PZ heads, and more, adding versatility to screwdrivers and drills, making them suitable for both handymen and craftsmen. Featuring a magnetic screw lock sleeve, the set ensures a firm and secure hold, minimizing drops and reducing wobbling for enhanced precision and control. Constructed with stainless steel and impact-resistant materials, the bits are durable and sturdy, capable of withstanding daily use over the long run. They are corrosion-resistant, easy to maintain, and simple to organize. The driver bit set is compatible with most drills and screwdrivers, providing a customizable placement for the perfect fit. Ideal for drilling and screwing in metal, cement, wood, plastic, and more. The set comes neatly packed in a strong storage case, offering a convenient way to keep the drill bits organized at home or on the go. The storage box features a clear cover, allowing easy visibility of the bits at a glance. Number 12. Priced at $32.99, the Wirefy crimping tool for heat shrink connectors is a professional-grade hand crimper designed for reliable and rock-solid crimps with every use. Featuring an efficient ratcheting mechanism and a professional-grade crimping die, this tool is ideal for use with heat shrink connectors. The precise ratcheting mechanism operates by squeezing the handle through a complete ratcheting cycle until the handle releases automatically. This function allows for the secure crimping of wire connectors while enabling the easy insertion of wires into the crimp. Equipped with an adjustable crimping force, the tool includes a star wheel that allows users to adjust the crimping height, ensuring the right amount of crimping force for different projects. A designated quick-release lever enables the opening of the crimper jaws in any position. The ergonomic and comfortable handles are cushioned and non-slippery, providing a strong grip in any condition. Designed for optimal leverage, these handles make it comfortable to crimp AWG 22 to 10 splices. The Wirefy crimping tool is a reliable and user-friendly tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike.
Number 13. Priced at $89.99, the Chemo Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set offers impressive features for efficient and convenient use. With a maximum torque of 40 feet-pounds, at 400 RPM and a variable speed trigger, this cordless ratchet performs comparably to an air ratchet but without the hassle of cords and the constant loud noise from an air hose. Weighing only 2.2 pounds, with battery, and featuring an ultra-slim head design, the Chemo Electric Ratchet easily reaches tight spots to effortlessly ratchet nuts and bolts. This makes it perfect for various applications, including auto maintenance, construction, or home repair work. The set includes 2 Chemo batteries, each boasting a proudly presented Chemo battery technology with a life expectancy of at least 1,000 cycles. Say goodbye to concerns about dying batteries or batteries that won't charge after minimal usage. Ensure optimal performance by using only Chemo's charger and battery for this product. Built for user comfort, the ratchet wrench is equipped with built-in LED lighting to illuminate the work area, and 2 rubber pieces that withstand corrosive materials, enhancing comfort during use. The onboard fuel gauge displays the remaining runtime, providing added convenience during operation. Number 14. Priced at $16.99, the Electric Lighter's Waterproof Kit is a versatile solution for both outdoor emergencies and indoor use. The kit includes a 360 degrees adjustable USB lighter, a survival whistle lanyard, and a USB-C cable, making it ideal for lighting campfires, BBQs, fireplaces, candles, and cigars. The telescopic design ensures flexibility and safety in lighting fires. The Forever USB lighter is rechargeable and reusable, eliminating the need for constant refills. With just a 2-hour charge, it can be used hundreds of times, saving time and money while promoting eco-friendliness. Featuring windproof functionality, the lighter works flawlessly in any weather conditions with a light press. The waterproof case is rated IP56, capable of withstanding exposure to dampness and water, making it the ideal gear for outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, fishing, hunting, and survival situations. Number 15. Priced at $29.97, the SAER contour gauge is a versatile tool designed for a variety of applications, making it an essential addition to your toolkit. Designed for winding pipes, circular frames, ducts, and various objects, the contour gauge is ideal for tasks such as fitting tiles, laminate, carpet, checking dimensions, and molding. It proves to be a useful tool for operations on car bodies, carpentry, and all kinds of modeling. The adjustable and locking feature of the SAER contour gauge allows you to customize the tightness according to your needs. After using the contour ruler for a period, it's easy to adjust the tightness. Once the object has been contoured, the gauge's teeth can be locked in place, ensuring perfect traces every time. Made of high-quality ABS plastic, the contour gauge is durable, rust-proof, and lightweight, making it easy to carry and handle. With measurements of 5 inches and 10 inches, it can be used to measure the shape of irregular objects, serving as an instant template for marking precise tile cuts. Simply press the contour gauge onto the shape, trim the outline, and cut into shape with ease. Extensively applicable, the contour gauge is used to locate profiles or edges and accurately transfer them to the material to be cut. Whether in woodworking, auto body, auto metal sheet, stainless steel, or any job requiring contour duplication, the SAER contour gauge is a reliable and practical tool.